Hey guys, so today we are making a dessert. Yes, this is a Turkish inspired or a Middle Eastern inspired dessert by the name Kunafa. I hope I said that right. So for the ingredients for our kunafa, we have some vermicelli. I don't know how you call them. Yes, vermicelli. There it is. So what you have to do to the vermicelli is break them into very, very, very tiny pieces as much as you can. So I'll go ahead and break this more than I have. And then next we have some melted butter. I didn't have butter, so I'm using melted margarine. I hope it works almost the same. Of course, the taste is going to be different, but let's see how it turns out. Then here we have some cream. This is basically some cream with about a tablespoon of corn flour just to thicken everything up. And then I added about an eighth of a teaspoon of vanilla essence just for the extra flavor. It's completely optional. Then lastly, we have some cream cheese, some homemade cream cheese that we're going to put in the middle of the kunafa. So basically how you make this recipe is break this or crush this into very tiny pieces, mix it with the melted butter. Then when everything is well mixed, you will layer it on your pan, on your baking tray or your baking pan. And then you layer half of it down, and then you top it up with your cream and your cheese. Then after you've topped up with the cream and cheese, you add the remaining vermicelli on top, and then you let it cook, you bake it up, and then after that, you drizzle over some simple syrup. You can make any simple syrup that you can, and add some rose water for some extra flavor, and that's how simple it is. So let's make it. So our kunafa is ready for the oven. I'll bake this at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown in color. It looks amazing. I hope it comes out perfectly well. Our kunafa is ready and it looks absolutely amazing. So I just want to turn it upside down and then let it cool for a bit. Then drizzle over the syrup, the simple syrup.